Hey guys, Chris Coolio Doors here. I got one of the last unboxings you'll probably see of a handgun in this country, thanks to the band. I finally got, like I said, I just recently got home from working, and the last one finally showed up in the mail here. I ordered this last year in like August, and yeah, we'll get into it. Oh man, I gotta clean up some of this cardboard crap. Alright. What do we have? Well, we have the Norinco NP17. It's basically, from what I understand, a 9mm Tokarev. So, it was kind of the last one that I wanted, or last one I could get as far as the Tokarev group of guns I were able. So here we are. So they come in these little white boxes, and in that we're seeing this for the first time. So we'll see it together here. So yeah, we got the styrofoam. All right. Yes, 9mm version. Effective range of 50 meters. 8 round. Sighting device, a flat front sight and a U, quote unquote, open rear sight. Pistol must always be considered in a state of going to fire. Make sure it's loaded. Muzzle must safe direction. Safety device can lock state one before firing. When don't use it further, the pistol must be unloaded and kept in a safety place. Never climb trees or hurdle race. Do hurdle race or leap over obstacles with loaded pistol. Before shooting, determine the correct target. Never take road signs, trees, etc. as firing targets, because this kind of firing is not shooting sport. Never fire at rocks or water because they can cause the pellets bounced back. Oh, there's pellets in my 9mm bullets now. Okay. Before making shooting, must make sure there are any choker in the barrel and choose suitability type of bullet. And then, except for self-defense in brackets, while shooting or at shooting range, you should wear safety glasses and earmuffs. Oh, okay. If the pistol happens not to be triggered, well, it depends on who you're talking to these days. You can be triggered on just about anything. You must point its muzzle at the ground because sometimes a hang fire could happen. Unless you're at an indoor range, that wouldn't be good. You should probably keep it downrange, I'm thinking. So wait at least 30 seconds before unloading the bullet. Or maybe cartridge. Don't take part in shooting sports while being drunk or after taking any anesthetics. You should keep your mind that a pistol must always be considered one loaded. Okay. I love instructions. Sometimes they're kind of funny to read. I mean, they're doing what they're trying, right? I mean, obviously, axe and prove, right? Always similar to firearms loaded. Keep it pointed in a safe direction. Right here, this is a safe area. You know, check to make sure it's unloaded, unload it, and you know, don't fire until you are, don't load or fire whenever you're ready to fire. So, and know your target and beyond. Don't point your target at anything you don't wish to destroy. Anyways, so that's what we get. So, what do we got here? We got cleaning rod, as always. We got a magazine. Oh yeah, gotta love the greasy. Well, at least it shouldn't be rusty. shouldn't be rusty. Let's give me a hard second here to wipe that sucker off so we can actually touch it. Alright, well, it's got a plastic bottom on it, which is a little different from the typical Tokarev mags. And then we got this one. Oh, it's a two-tone. I wasn't sure if it was going to be or not. Yes, that is all grease. That's a lot of grease. Okay. Well, let's get grease out of the way. Okay. Why does it have safety? And why can't I rack it back? Okay, I gotta wipe it off. I'm trying to prove it's safe here, trying to follow the instructions. But it's a little hard. Because it's so greasy. I'm definitely gonna have to clean it. I wanna take it out to the range and shoot it here a little later. But so anyways, that's a little easier. Okay, now she's all locked up. Oh man. I don't know why. 9x19 millimeter. Okay. Let's see here. Ow. Okay, it is clear. So why? Oh, maybe it was in the half cock. That makes sense. Yeah, sorry. Okay, guys. In case you're not familiar with the Tokarev, you can kind of have it half cocked there, and that's kind of like, or I thought it was, apparently. Okay, there's a safety. Does the safety work? I did not know it was coming with a safety. It is unloaded. We've confirmed that several times. Okay, well. Sure, it's not terrible. Typical. Let's, wow. Let's see if we can, break her open. Okay, so you just pull that clip back, pull this out, and then you just gotta watch that the spring doesn't get all bent up. So it kind of does that quite a bit. Real fun when you try to put it back together. And then these things have like the firing group thing kind of separate. And you can see how kind of gross it is in there. I don't know, hopefully you can see how gross it is in there. And greasy, so we'll just take that out. Take that off, because we're just going to try to clean it. And then this comes off. And then there we go. That is it in a nutshell. It's all broken apart. Mags, you can typically pop that out. I did a video on that a while ago. Again, it is just, oh. see here. Makeshift punch. Okay, you just push it in and just keep it from flying out. Maybe. There we go. I like to take these apart when I clean them. Just for the simple fact is that they always come full of stuff. Nope, not quite. So yeah, there she is in pieces. So it's got a grip on it, which is different than the other Tokarevs. I don't know about these cutouts and stuff. I was kind of wondering if they would fit on an actual Tokarev. I'm not sure. It's like 2 pieces, and they have the same. It's really hard to tell, but they have the same way to come apart. It's hard to tell, sorry guys. Okay, so that one, there we go. Yeah, so all you do is you move that part, it's over there to hold it in because these bars go out. Push it over, pull that apart. And then on here, all you do is you just grab one of these. You spin it down, pull it up. They're not always the easiest. I like to pull these apart. I just feel like I'm going to stab myself like that. So just like that. And then this part comes off. And then yeah, you can get in there and get that clean. Like look at all that crap in there. Like it's not even smooth. It's just very, very rough. Which is like what your mag is. Your mag's gonna be running on that. So not being smooth is kind of sad. Because that's what's gonna help it or not help it to drop free. So yeah, I'm gonna clean her up here, oil her up, and get her back together, and hopefully we'll get out and do a first shots video of the old NP17 talk shortly. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you guys supporting the channel. See you soon. Cheers.